All right, guys, I'm going to be showing you a really cool trick for how you can create pictures on the fly using ChatGPT on your iPhone. Now, if you've never done this before, it is pretty incredible. I'm actually not going to log in through the app, though. I'm going to do it from the browser. You could do it either way, but really, you need to make sure you're on ChatGPT, the 4 version or higher, so you will need a subscription to make this happen. But I'm just going to put an example in here of a shark eating a donut basically mid-air. Now, these pictures look so good that it is crazy, and I'm going to do a couple different ones for you guys, but we'll just do this first one so you can kind of see it. We got this shark basically doing what we said in the prompt, to eat a donut. I mean, look at that quality. That is ridiculous. Now, when you do these pictures and create them, you can just, save them. So that's what I'm going to do here. Just hold down on them, and we'll come back and check them out in a second, the saved ones. But I want to do one more here. We're going to continue with the shark theme. We kind of got Shark Week going on right now, so I'm all about sharks. But we're going to do a shark, eating a slice of pizza, and see how this one turns out. But I mean, even just that first one doing this, man, like it looks good, right? The quality is pretty darn good. Oh yeah, man, get that slice. All right, anyways, now we're gonna go into our photo section to check this out. But if you've never done this before, it's just really cool, and it's just amazing how good the quality is for this. Like it's crazy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. Just because I threw some cool shark pictures out there, I'd definitely appreciate if you tap that like, subscribe, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.